EZBucks.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be taking a look at today. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably already know what it is. But please subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog about making money online, all kind of really cool stuff. Anyways, we're going to keep this video really short today. I'm just going to show you a couple things. First of all, EZBucks.co. None of one of these get paid to sites that claim all this nonsense, and we're going to show you something here. And you can be the judge. Alright, so we're on the home page here. You know, payment proofs. Yeah, screenshots. Okay, so those are real. I'm guessing. Not really. Alright, so they paid out $6 million to influencers. Basically, you know, they claim you sign up, you get $35 bonus for signing up. And you get friends usually, you know, when you refer friends, you get people and stuff like that. And do surveys. But this is nonsense, and here's why, folks. All right, they say they paid out $6 million, close to $7 million here. All right, so today is March 1st, 2020, and the reason I'm telling you that is because the Whois database for this website, EZBucks.co, they were created February 20th, 2020. It's leap year, so about 10 days ago. 10 days ago that this website was created, and they're claiming they paid out that much money. Come on, come on. Nonsense, absolute nonsense. Look, Silicon Valley address. There's no address. They just put Silicon Valley. What is that? Oh yeah, plus let's try to sign up here. I accept the terms and conditions. What terms and conditions? I'm trying to click on terms and conditions. I want to read this stuff but I can't. And these things down here, they're fake. Erica was just paid, you know, whatever. You know, it's Eric, not Erica. Sorry, I can't read. Anyways, guys, ladies, this is a bunch of nonsense. And there's so many sites like this. They're doing the exact same thing, and it's just nonsense. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to keep this video short today. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Actually, if you want to check out some legitimate apps, I'll put them in the links in the description below. Pop up in this video here as well. Check out those apps, make some money. Don't fall for this crap. Later.